Okay, hey guys, so we got him into his robot mode. So um yeah, basically this is his robot mode. So sorry I have to do stop motion like that because I have no idea how to pause my camera in midway like my old camera would be able to do, like pause it halfway and then like cut the scene, right? I'm not able to do that, so that's why I'm making two parts. I know you guys don't really like that, but I hope it's fine. I also don't really like parts. It sucks. Yeah, so basically this is robot mode. So like the packaging said, this is level 2 intermediate, so it's very easy, and it's deluxe class understood, and the instruction sheet is very clear cut. Not only if they improve on the pictures, right? I just noticed they improved it also by teaching how to change from changing to vehicle and changing to robot, the two-way transformation, which the old one didn't. So it's very satisfying that Hasbro step it up a lot more. All this sort of thing to help kids change better, right? Some kids they'll just play and then just have them stuck in one mode. Then they wouldn't know what to do. They'll scream, they'll call their mommy for help, and it's not possible for their mom to know how to transform robots. So kind of weird. Right, so basically enough talk, go to the robot mode. Right, so basically it's very I would say it's a very nice robot. See his head. He has some nice face there, you could see. Some light piping there. Right, 4 eyes, it looks very demonic. That's one of the reasons why I got him. He has these rubber feelers, make him look nice. This gold chain, I'm not sure this is his track or his bullet ammo, not really sure. Couldn't find it out. But it's soft too. You can't attach them to anywhere, you just have to leave them flinging like that. And bottom you could see out here some ribcage sort of like, right, some golden chest thing. And this is arm, and as you know he doesn't stand well. He has some problem standing up. If I just let him up, he'll just his legs got problems. So this is basically how the legs looks like. Claws out. You have to hit one of the pegs well hidden in between the wheels. Right, one of the wheels behind here, I guess you have to hit it inside the wheels. So this is the arm, we get some nice articulation in the back. Just fold everything up like that. Right, compact, fold everything up. Then you get the MagTech weapon. You could fit into any of these MagTech holes over here. Right, so you can just let him hold it. Right, just hold on. Alright, for articulation is very good. His arm goes. Just hold on, man. Sorry for all this mess, No, but he really doesn't stand well. I think this review sucks. So that's some music for you guys to go. Right, so we'll just on the flash. There we go. Get the light piping in his face. Right, that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna put here. So they have his MagTech gun there, articulation very good. Articulate the biceps 360 in and out, and the hands doesn't move much too. Right. So doesn't rotate too, it just goes in and out. So there you have him in his robot mode, I guess. So you could have him up with his gun and then play like on crankcase. So yeah, basically that's about it. So I hope you guys like my new video quality. You guys will drop by and subscribe more, right? Improve my channel more, and then you guys get better offers. So until next time, Jake Kingsley signing off. Peace out.